Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be tackling something very important, which is joining the strongest Battlegrounds server on Discord. We want to learn how to join them. Yes, we want to join the strongest Battlegrounds server on Discord. So the first thing you need to do is find the Discord server invites. And how do you do this? You need to check your Roblox game page. So go to the official Roblox page for the strongest Battlegrounds. I want you to do that. Look for the links to their official Discord server under the social section or in the game description. Once you find it, the next thing you're going to do is launch a Discord app or use the web client, and then click on the plus icon, which is located at the bottom left corner. Next, select join a server, and once you select that, paste the Discord server invite link you found in the previous page in the provided field. Once you've done that, click join. It's as simple as that. But there's something you should note first. Once you join the server, make sure to read and follow their rules to avoid any issues, and also adhere to Discord community guidelines to ensure a positive and safe experience for everyone. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully join the official Discord server for the strongest Battlegrounds on Roblox. Note that the availability and format of the invite link may change, and always be cautious when clicking on links from unknown sources. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.